Yeah. Uh-huh. Come in to lift you up. Come in to lift you up. Come in to lift you up. Yeah. Yeah. I'm coming to lift you up. High up in the sky because you are the one I look up to. Cause when I look at you and they look at me, they see you and not me. Yeah, I know I got the key because you gave it to me. You see, beauty is in the eye of the king. Man, there's nothing else that I want to do. No one else I want to serve. Cause you give me that food that satisfies my hunger. When I'm feeling low, your love keeps me from going under. So never will I plunder. I'll just do my dance. Cause instead of death, you gave me a chance. So, come in to lift you up. Come in to lift you up. Come in to lift you up. Yeah. Come in to lift you up. Come in to lift you up. Come in to lift you up. Yeah. Coming to lift you up, higher than the stars and the galaxies. You captured me like Kodak, you didn't forget me like a memory. The messages you sent to me through people in the ministries. Even though I sinned, you still spiritually gifted me. Even though I'm weak, it's you who always seem to strengthen me. Now I'm wanting less of me, I want to fall in love with you deeper than the oceans. My life will be a love song. Don't need a band to rock to this. Compliments, go up to the Father. I'ma just reflect his light. Skinny jeans, he tight. Worship till I pass out, homie, I just might, cuz come in to lift you up. I'm coming to lift you up. Come in to lift you up. I'm coming to lift you up. I'm coming to lift you up. I'm coming to lift you up. Third verse is still lifting you up. Cause when I look at you, my problems, they look like scuff. On the bottom of my shoe, you bless me no hot chew. I smile because you woke me up this morning and gave me another chance to dial and talk to my mother and father and tell them how much I love them and thank them for all the things they did for me. And I know you because they prayed for me and I pray for you, my unborn child, my husband to be, and y'all listening now. The Lord delivered me from a gay lifestyle and it's a struggle, but I love him so much I ain't turning back around. Materialistic things that had me bound, truth came through and picked me off the ground, and there's nothing you can do to stop me now because I know him. Yes, I know him. Searching for love, ended up hoeing around. Cause I was lost, but now I am found. And there's nothing you can do to stop me now because I know him. Yes, I know him. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. We're coming to lift you up. 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 Yeah.